In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gmail signature with Calendly. We're going to connect your Calendly scheduling link to your Gmail signature so anyone you email can book time with you in one click. Start by opening Gmail and clicking Compose. This isn't to send an email yet. It's a quick way to access the signature controls from the message toolbar. At the bottom of the Compose window, click the signature icon and choose Manage Signatures. This opens your Gmail settings on the General tab where the signature section lives. Here, either create a new signature or select the one you already use. In the signature editor, type the content you want people to see every time you email. Keep it clear and professional. Include your standard details and add a short call to action that invites meetings such as schedule a meeting. Make it easy to spot. Concise wording works best. Next, tidy up the look. Use the formatting tools to adjust font size, color, or spacing so everything is readable and consistent. Simple, accessible formatting is usually more effective than heavy styling. Now switch over to Calendly in a new tab and open the meeting type you want people to book. Copy your scheduling link from Calendly. The direct link to that booking page ensures recipients land exactly where they can pick a time. Go back to Gmail's signature editor and select the text you want to turn into a clickable link, like your schedule a meeting line. With that text highlighted, click the insert link icon in the editor toolbar. A small window will appear with a field for the web address. Paste your Calendly link into the web address field. Double check there are no extra spaces at the beginning or end of the link so it works properly. When you're confident it looks right, click Apply. You should now see that text underlined or styled as a hyperlink inside your signature editor. To finish, scroll to the bottom of the settings page and click Save Changes. This step is essential. If you skip it, your new link won't be added to your outgoing emails. From now on, your signature will include a clean, clickable Calendly link. Keep your call to action short. Make sure the link points to the correct meeting type and revisit the signature editor anytime your scheduling needs change. This simple setup helps reduce back and forth and makes booking time with you effortless.